to move this puppy up. I thought to put this on video.
What, I was moving it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of cool.
Maybe some steel or something. Something.
So did you get that one screw in?
I'm getting it in now. It's a freaking shit. I'm hitting steel or something.
Yeah, I thought from your angle would have been best where you were standing before, because you go directly in from that side. You don't have it lined up exactly, that's why it's scraping. Here, let me do it.
It's almost in.
Straight in, it's just chafing. There we go. It's all about angle too.
Just a little bit, huh?
Okay.
Are you ready for the weightlifting test?
We are ready.
This is my specialty. Remember, squat low.
Yeah,
push
this will
high.
be the easy part. It's pretty easy actually after all.
It's a lot easier than we thought it would be.
Yeah. So I'm glad I just did the one step. I made multiple steps originally. So
I'm listening.
we're gonna push this a little forward. Because as we lift up, we don't want to pull it and have it come crashing down. There we go. Now we just lift straight up.
Wait a minute. I'm hooked. Go, 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 go.
Oh, we got let down.
No, no, no. Move the light down. The light down. I got it.
This has got it.
Yeah, go. Do something with it.
Unexpected. Expect the unexpected. Okay. Gotta unravel it. I think we better bring it down. Wait. Maybe I could set it on something. How you doing?
I'm good. What do you want to put on? Are you ready?
Yep.
What's that over there inside?
It's okay.
I saw that.
That's why we push it further up so we have room for error.
Damn, we almost had it.
Oh.
It's got to come down.
And I'm thinking if we slide it over this way,
And we might.
so I'll move that and slide it back that way. Because it's too far on that end anyhow.
Little miscalculation.
There we go. So we're going to slide it further this direction. And we'll be out of the way.
Go.
Ready?
Go. Oh, slide. Slide. I'm pushing.
Oh, I have to direct it.
Huh?
Okay, push. Push.
Right there. All right, watch it.
And I have to lift it out of hitting the stud over there. Okay, more. Slide.
Right there. All right.
Now lift up.
Yeah.
And then slide it back to you.
Right there. Right there. I got it. Okay, hold on. Stop.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Push it to me. I don't like it. Push it. A quarter of an inch. Look. Quarter of an inch. Come move it up.
You have to leave it, did you?
Okay. All right, so can we bring it back a little bit?
Oh yeah.
Or am I wrong?
Well, we're gonna lift it up because it's a little high here. Lift and tuck.
Okay. Right there.
I hope it's not warping away somehow.
Okay, now push. How's it look there? Right there. We're good. What about this piece here?
Huh?
The piece there to make it sturdy.
Oh, it's fine. Vertical is the strongest force in nature against the grain going down. There we go.
All right, we're good. Damn.
Okay.
Guess
I'll
we
flip
won't-
the video.
Guess we won't be working out today. Might do 300 push-ups, that'd be it.
Yeah. God, at my peak, I was just doing 250 a day. Right.
All right. Dumbass, no, I wear long sleeve, but I didn't today.
Oh, yeah. But on a hot day like this, you don't want that.
It's called heat stroke.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, some screws ready to screw into the wall. Screw down. Okay, so I'm going to slide it over from there, and you guide it to the outside edge of this stud here where the shims are. We're going to bring it right to this edge, this flush with this outer edge.
We're gonna bring it all the way over to that edge?
Correct. So you get on that side and guide it.
Jesus Christ. Oh. Come on, I'm ready.
But you have to watch up on top it's not hitting any jams or shims.
Oh, I'm guiding. Go. There you go. Stop.
Are we flush?
It's right against these two little bars.
Yeah, so gotta pull it back a little bit to.
Pull it back a little bit.
Yeah, so that's on your end. You pull it back. And then tell me when to push it towards you.
Go. Go. Keep going. Stop. Stop.
All right. And then you shift it till it works out. Oh wow.
What happened? What'd you do?
Oh, it's just rotted on this corner, so it's a little bit precarious, but this is the light side, so get over here
Man, don't scare me.
and just make sure that it's lined up here. See how it's rotted on the edges and not
Yeah,
really
yeah, I see
being
it, I see
supported
it.
that much?
There.
So, like this.
Huh?
So you're gonna come and take my position, this hand here, that hand there. And then you'll have all that leverage to keep it in position. Wow, it's so funny, this ledger is...
We're on time. We're good though, right?
Yeah, well, at least the ledger helped us line it up. And what I'll probably do later is block it in. Yeah. That'll be easier. Yeah, so I could just rip pieces later and build ledger underneath. So I'll start securing it. Use bigger screws. Oh, and I'll turn off the camera.